Trying to solve a problem with the Nissan Sentra with the droopy sun visor. Even the new ones, they droop as soon as you get them, or a couple months later, and these things are like, they're charging you like $250 each. So if this is in good shape, this part right here, this is the key I bought, and this is one for a Nissan Altima. I don't like it. It's a little heavy, and none of them are small enough. They're all too wide, and they're all going to have to be cut, and this is a different diameter. And so what I decided to do is I was going to pull all the new ones except for, all of them except for the Sentra. They all have this little pin here that needs to be pulled out. And then I took, this is actually from the Nissan Sentra. I took the one off the from the Altima out after taking this little pin out. All you need to do is you take a little flathead screwdriver and you pry it out gently, and you should get this pin out. And then I took the Nissan Sentra 1, these are both the same, and then I cut this using a Dremel, and I cut these little parts off here to make it flat, and then I used this part here to smooth it out, and I got this. So then the Altima one fit through this, and then the Altima lever comes with the slot for this pin to be put back in, so all I did was replace that. So I'm going to keep taking some videos to see if this is a success. I bought this one. I don't even know what car this came from. It's the only one that had the sliding little mirror here. But I'm going to have to cut it here. So I'm going to take a razor here. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to pull this back, and then I'm going to make a cut here, because this it has to fit. Because the way the Sentra works, it has a slope to it. So it won't, nothing quite or fit. And I'll see if I have a bracket, or I'm just not going to use the bracket. I'm just going to let it hang, because this is a lot stronger.